magnetism. So what's going to happen in a minute? I'm going to teach you how to ground, how to connect, and how to protect. And it's as simple as that. It's 3, 2, 1. Now, once you've done it, I mean, you might feel a bit silly going here, here, and here. I mean, I love this, and I'm going to teach you some really cool stuff in a minute. But I mean, this is really good, and it just in the fact that I'm doing it, I'm starting already to become exothermic, and I'm starting to become electric. Because I've made the decision that this works for me, and I'll teach you how to do it. It'll work for you. It heats you up, it speeds you up, my breathing increases, I accelerate, I'll become more red-faced and I can't talk either. I start to mess up what I'm talking because I'm operating at a different level. And it's just what happens. So what actually happens here is when you connect here, and then you connect here, and then you protect, what actually happens is the male and the female of me, which we'll describe in a minute, is connected between my hands, and I can push through here.
Where?
Stay where you are.
Yeah.
Is it? Well, he does anyway. Tennis ball hair.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can feel it.
Now, what's actually happening is that is static. It's EMFs. It's electromotive force. It's rather like you would rub a balloon and stick it on the wall. But what it actually is, it's the energy of me. It's not the energy of anything other than me. I ground, I connect, I protect, and I push through. And that's what happens. Can you feel it?
Yeah, it felt like you were rubbing your finger across the top of my hair.
Well, I didn't touch you. I'm actually creating a vortex of energy through you, and it moves through you and from you.